this is the payroll header page from which we will create the payroll headers. Okay, just like the basic, we can even create for the tax. So we can only create the basic ones, and it is given by the Bizcompass itself. But we can edit the name of this. Okay, if organization want that basic fresh DNS allowance, they can add this over here. They can even add the description for this. Okay, let's just update it as it's visible over here. Then we can create another header. Okay, there are two types, one is deduction and one is income. Okay, in the income we can select this, uh, for the bonus, for the allowance. Okay, for the incentive we can create it here, and in the deduction we can select for the provident fund, then the tax, in which we can select ESIC, professional tax, TDS, and then the LWF. Okay, we can select insurance. Now let's start by creating it. So let's create EPF. Then in the deduction we have to select provident fund. Okay, now is this header applicable on attendance? Means if employee has less attendance, then there will be less amount for the PF. Okay, and based on that we can even see for the bonus, if employee has less attendance, then there will be less bonus in the salary. So we can create it here. Okay, currently I am selecting as yes. Now we have created for the EPF. Okay, now let's create for the another type, which is TDS. So in the deduction and in the tax we will need to select this TDS. So based on that we can create all the headers over here like this. And now in the bonus we have another option. Let's select the income, then the bonus. So we have option for the show bonus in the summary. If we select this, that means the bonus will be visible in the salary slip at the summary area. Okay, right above the net payable we can see the bonus. Okay, so we can select it here. Now all the headers are created. After this we can create the salary header based on selected with the slabs for the EPF, TDS, ESIC, LWF, PT.